The Whidbey puzzle prefab, designed by Wittman Estes, is a pioneering example of sustainable, context-responsive modular housing. Situated on Whidbey Island, Washington, this prototype redefines prefabricated living by organizing the home into 4 distinct modules: living, sleep/study, energy, and outdoor dining. These modules can be endlessly reconfigured, expanded, or relocated, making the home adaptable to a variety of sites and lifestyles. With a living area of 600 square feet and 557 square feet of covered outdoor space, the home maintains an almost 1-to-1 indoor-outdoor ratio, fostering a strong connection to nature. The structure is 95% fabricated off-site using sustainably sourced materials, minimizing on-site disruption. Instead of a traditional concrete foundation, the home uses a pin foundation system, reducing carbon emissions by 24 tons and protecting the surrounding forest ecology by preserving tree roots. The Whidbey puzzle prefab is designed for net zero energy living. It features a 4.1 kilowatt solar panel array that generates nearly 4,000 kilowatt hours annually, powering a heat pump with hydronic heating and cooling, and an energy recovery ventilation system. Rainwater is collected from the roof, stored, and purified for potable use and irrigation for an indoor greenhouse, further reducing the home's environmental footprint. The modular design not only allows for physical flexibility but also philosophical adaptability. The home evolves with its inhabitants' needs and the site's conditions. The extensive covered outdoor space and thoughtful material choices ensure the home feels spacious and connected to the natural environment, despite its compact footprint. The design process was guided by a desire to minimize environmental impact while maximizing health and connection to nature for the occupants. Whidbey puzzle prefab demonstrates how innovative prefabrication can deliver high-performance, sustainable homes that are flexible, affordable, and deeply connected to their surroundings. It sets a new standard for residential architecture, emphasizing adaptability, sustainability, and a harmonious relationship with nature.